In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and safely edit the HTML of a constant contact email campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your campaign's source code, how to review it without breaking your layout, and what to keep in mind if you decide to make a small fix. First, log into your constant contact account so you land on your dashboard. If you're managing multiple campaigns, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account and that you have the right permissions to edit emails. This helps you avoid surprises later. Next, open the email campaign you want to check. Head to your campaigns area and select the specific email you're working on. If you have many versions, choose the one that reflects the content you actually plan to send. Opening the right draft now saves time and prevents accidental edits to the wrong file. Now look for an option labeled Custom Code, HTML, or Source. The exact wording can vary based on the editor used to create the email. In many layouts, this option appears in a toolbar or a menu within the editor. If you don't immediately see it, try checking any more or advanced menus. Keep in mind that some drag and drop templates are designed to lock down the raw code to protect formatting, so the HTML or source option may not be available for every email type. If your email type supports it, open the code view. This will switch your editor from the visual layout to the underlying HTML. Give the code a moment to load and then scan the structure. You may see inline styles, tracking parameters, and merge tags used by Constant Contact. Avoid changing system tags or placeholders unless you know exactly what they do, since modifying them can affect personalization or unsubscribe functionality. When you're ready to review or copy the HTML, select the content and copy it into a plain text editor for a clean look. This is a helpful way to inspect links, image paths, alt text, and any custom styling without distractions. If you need to share the code with a colleague or keep a snapshot for reference, saving a local copy ensures you have a record before making any changes. If you decide to edit, save carefully. Make small, deliberate adjustments, then save within the editor. After saving, watch for any layout shifts or warnings. If something looks off, revert your change or undo immediately. A measured approach helps you preserve your design and deliver exactly what you intended.